Good morning, students. Welcome back to a new session. In this session, we are going to discuss about algebraic method, elimination method in algebraic method. So, we are going to find out a solution of the system using elimination method. Example I have taken 11x plus 5y plus 23 and 7x minus 2y minus 20 equal to 0. You can take now you have two equations. So in this method we are taking any one of the variable, coefficient of any one of the variable equal, either with additive inverse or same. Now here I am multiplying with 7 first equation and multiply with 11 second equation, such that we got coefficient of x is 77 on both equations. Now the coefficient is same with the nature, that is, they both are positive, so we are going to subtract. But if the both are negative also, we are going to subtract. If one is positive and one is negative, the equal coefficients, then we are going to add. Here they both have same positive and we are going to subtract. So after subtracting the equation, first of all we have multiplied with 7. You should multiply with all the three terms. Okay, 7 into 11 is 77x, 7 into 15y is 105y, 7 into 23 is 161. Similarly, 11 into 7 is 77x, 11 into 2 is 22y, 11 into 20 is 220. Now, when you are subtracting, the second equation symbol change for each term. So, 77x minus 77x 0. So 105y plus 22y, 127y plus 381 equal to 0, or you will get y equal to minus 3 after simplifying. You are going to substitute y equal to minus 3 in any one of the equation. Then here I have substituted in 7x minus 2y minus 20 equal to 0. There y equal to minus 3. After simplifying, I got x equal to 2. And the solution of this equation, solution of this system is x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 3. Similarly, one more example, you can take x by 2 plus y equal to 0.8 and 7 by x plus y by 2 equal to 10. After simplifying the both equations, one of the equation is x plus 2y equal to 1.6 and the second equation is 10x plus 5y equal to 7. I have made first equation multiplied with 10. I got 10x plus 20y equal to 16 minus 10x plus 5y equal to 7. If I subtract, I will get 15y equal to 9 or y equal to 3 by 5. You can substitute y equal to 3 by 5 in any one of the equation. You got x equal to 4 by 10. 4 by 10 is nothing but 2 by 5. So the solution of this system is 2 by 5, 3 by 5. Here you can see word problems. Going to give an equation, you are going to solve through substitutional method. From the pair of linear equation in the following problems and find their solutions by the elimination method. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. It becomes, if you only, it becomes 1 by 2 if you only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? So let the fraction be a by b. According to the given information, you will get a minus b equal to minus 2. If you simplify, a plus 1 by b minus 1 equal to 1. Because if you add a numerator and subtract denominator, you will get a 1. Okay. And a minus b equal to minus 2 is the first equation. If you add only 1 to the denominator, is 1 by 2. So 2a minus b equal to 1. You can use substitutional method to find out this. Similarly, 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Noori and Sonu? You can see x minus 5, x plus y. 5 years ago, x minus 5, Noori's age, and 10 years later it will be x plus 10. Similarly, Sonu, y minus 5 and y plus 10. Comparing the situation, first situation 5 years ago, so x minus 5 equal to 3 times of y minus 5, and 10 years after, that is x plus 10 equal to 2 times of y plus 10. Their ages, if you solve this, you will get y equal to 20 and x equal to 50. So 50 comma 20 is the solution. The sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. Also 9 times the number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. So you should take 2 digits as 2 different variables. Let the 10th digit, unit digit is x and 10th digit is y I have taken. So when you take 10th digit as y, the number will be 10y plus x. Because 22 expansion form in digits wise, what you write, 20 plus 2. Similarly, that is 2 into 10 plus 2. Or for example 32, 3 into 10 plus 2. Similarly, now it is yx. The number, if you write yx, for example, y is nothing but 10y plus x. Okay. So the 10th digit is multiplied with 10. For example, 10 digit number is y. So value of y will be 10 into y. 1 digit is x. The value of 1 digit is x, because x into 1 is x only. So entire number is 10y plus x. After reversing the order, you will get a 10x plus y. Now, according to the given information, sum of the digits, that is x plus y, will be 9. And if you reverse this, that is 9 times of original number will be 2 times of the reverse number. That is 9 into 10y plus x equal to 2 into 10x plus y. So after simplifying the second equation, you will get minus x plus 8y equal to 0 and x plus y equal to 9. If you solve this, you will get the number as 18. Now 18, if you reverse, it is 81. 9 times of 18 will be equal to 2 times of 81. Meena went to a bank to withdraw 2000. She asked the cashier to give her only 50 and 100 rupees notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of 50 and how many notes of 100 she received. So let the number of 50 rupees notes be x and the number of 100 rupees notes be y. Now if you have number of notes, if you say, then x plus y equal to 25. But value of 50 rupees notes is nothing but 50 into x. Then value of 100 rupees notes is nothing but 100 into y, because y 100 rupees notes are there and x 50 rupees notes are there. So value, if you take, total value is 2000. So 5x plus 100y will be equal to 2000. By simplifying, x plus 2y equal to 40. If you use substitutional method, you can subtract the first equation from second equation. You will get y equal to 15. Simple way, just y equal to 15. You are going to substitute y equal to 15 in first equation, then x will be 10. So there are 10 50 rupees notes and 15 100 rupees notes. If you multiply also, 500 plus 1500 gives you 2000. You can see one question here. A lending library has a fixed charge of the first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. So Sarita paid 27 rupees for a book kept for 7 days. Now you can see first 3 days fixed charge and additional day extra charge. So first sentence, if you take that is 3 plus 4 days, you should take like this. So 7 days can calculate as 3 plus 4. So first 3 days it is x rupees and next 4 days is y rupees. For example, the fixed charge is x, per day is y after fixed dates. So generally x, first 3 days the charge is x and the next 4 days each day y rupees. So x plus 4y equal to 27. If you take second situation, 5 days it is 21, means 3 plus 2 days. Now x plus 2y equal to 21. If you solve, if you subtract, you will get 2y equal to 6. So y equal to 3. Per day it is 3 rupees. So 3 to the 6, 21 minus 6 is 15. Fixed charge is 15, per day 3. Okay. That's all, my dear students. Thank you. Have a great day.